everyone, this is Alexis
and Daniel.
And today we're going to be singing Big Green Tractor by
This is Justin
L.
Moore,
Dean.
but I'm just kidding. I'm Daniel, but Justin Moore sucks. Okay?
No, he does not.
Okay, yo. Some video he sucks. Okay? Okay?
Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
That's bad. Or
Just
subscribe.
thumbs up, dude.
Or subscribe.
We
You know.
do a best video. She made a video of some
I made a video. Don't watch it if you watch it.
because it's a little
Crazy. Dumb.
crazy.
Stupid.
I haven't made a video though. But
Let's
Justin Moore has like about 10 or 20 videos
let's begin.
of
Let's
Justin
begin.
Moore videos. Okay.
Let's begin. Okay. Big green tractor, it can go slow, make it go faster, down through the woods, out through the pasture, as long as I'm with you, it really don't matter, climb up in my lap, drive if you want to, girl, you know you got me to hold on to, we can go to town, baby, if you're right, take you for a ride, on my big green tractor. Oh yeah, put your pretty little arms around me. Oh yeah. Okay, everyone, that was all for today. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Justin Moore sucks on his...
Justin Moore is a country singer.
I mean, yeah, Justin Moore, I like his videos, but some of his videos, I don't like them.